I wanted to take a minute to show you how to access Candid Careers. The easiest way to get there is to go to our Glendale homepage and click on Students, and then Counseling. And then we'll click on the Career Center. So this is our Career Center homepage. If you look down at the bottom down here under Start Exploring Now, I'd like you to click on Candid Careers. It will take you to an outside website. So this site, basically, like we've been talking about in class, is informational interviews that have been done with professionals who are currently in these positions. So let's say you were looking at going into maybe a field of industrial engineering. You could look to see what industrial engineers are on here, that you could look to see that, like, what kind of interview questions, how they have been asked. So this is the site, and there's a couple different ways to search. So it has a lot of great information. One way to search is to type in the job specifically. So let's go ahead and put in teacher, for example, and we'll hit search. And then it will pull up a list of different types of teachers that we could watch informational interviews with. It seems to be taking a minute to load. So this is showing you all different types of teachers. Here's a high school teacher in New York City. This is someone who was an early major and is a teacher with Week Now schools. Again, lots of different teachers you could watch their informational interviews with. Another way to search is to click on Explore Careers, and you can click on industry or major. For the sake of this, let's just put in major. And you can search by a major that you might be interested in. So let's just go to maybe history. We'll click on H. And let's find a history major. So actually a couple different things related to history. Here's historic preservation. Here's a bachelor's degree in history. Here's someone with a master's degree in history. And here's someone with a degree in history and politics. Let's just click on history. And then you can watch informational interviews that have been done with people who have a bachelor's degree in history. And you can see there's various different professions. But if we just click on one, for example, this person looks like he is a historian for the U.S. Department of the State. So he will answer these questions. His job description describes his job, his loves and challenges, how to prepare, so his advice, and then a little bit about his story. So one thing I recommend for everyone is to watch or conduct real life informational interviews with as many people as you can. But Candid Careers is a great resource to gather more information about different fields.